Miami Machine is known for value, quality, and service in paper-making equipment. Founded in 1972, Miami Machine is the most experienced U.S.-owned paper machine manufacturer in the United States. We manufacture everything on a paper machine, from the headbox through horizontal reel. Our products include press sections, suction rolls, size presses, dryer sections, reel and spool magazines, and calendars. We service suction rolls, press rolls, reel spools, calendar rolls, wire, felt, and paper rolls. We also service head boxes. Leading paper companies choose Miami Machine. Visit miamimachine.com or email sales@miamimachine.com today.